Hey guys, it's me again, the dimly lit Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. Excuse me. It is New Year's Eve 2020, so I'm going to be kind of brief on this one. It's about 5 o'clock, and I'm ready to get off work and do some stuff. This comes from Brent in Beverly Hills, California. Thank you very much, Brent. Brent has previously sent me a car unit for conversion, so I hope he's equally as pleased with his Akai GXR-82D. So let's pop in some Neil Sedaki and give it a listen. Making sure we got both speakers. Switch tracks. Okay, you're hearing the little dropouts and test signals. That's my fault. That's stuff that I recorded onto the tape by accident while I was testing the unit. Well, you don't know her like I do, love. And as I hold you near, you don't know what you straight. If your chick's flown like that, she's the one I'm dreaming of. Okay, and I've said, you guys probably know that all high-end Akais run a bit slow when they get to my shop, and I finally have an exact figure, at least on this one. This one measured 3.75% slow, so I've got it back up to the right speed, and so she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get the heck out of here, turn on the TV, and probably do a little bit of this tonight because I don't drink. So, that's my substitute. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. When I give you my phone number on my website or anywhere, it does not mean call me to ask me how to fix your unit. That service is not available here. I can barely keep up with the paying customers. So my phone number is 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Happy 2020. It's been a great year. Sure it has. It's been a good year for me. I don't know about some other folks, but at any rate, thanks again, Brent, for your business. Thanks, everybody, for watching and listening. We'll see you guys next time.